can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. Ethereum is down 13% over the last 1 week. It's down 22% over the last 1 month. Ethereum has seen a 13% increase over the last 1 year. But the million-dollar question is the bull market over for Ethereum? Are we in the start of a bear market? Are we dumping straight down to goblin town? There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Should we be getting ready for the biggest bear market of our time, or do we have one more pump to the upside? We look at Ethereum's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. Will Ethereum continue outperforming Bitcoin? We've seen Ethereum taking a different turn against Bitcoin since the 7th of April 2025. Ethereum is still up 90% against Bitcoin since then. Even though market participants are still focusing on Bitcoin, we look at Ethereum's dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance. If it dumps, what will happen to the price of Ethereum? Why is sentiment down in the cryptocurrency market? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, currently trades above $3,373. We've seen Ethereum get to as high as $4,955 in this cycle. It's been a wild ride for Ethereum. Ethereum has had crazy bumps along the way. Unlike Bitcoin, which has just been pumping slowly and steady to all-time highs with only a 30% decline throughout the journey, Ethereum has taken a different path. Ethereum has had crazy declines, which is normal. Ethereum first dumped 28% in July of 2023. We had a pullback in March of 2024 where we saw Ethereum losing around 47% of its value. But the big one happened after December of 2024 where we saw Ethereum trading around $4,100 on the 2nd of December 2024. But then we entered 2025, Ethereum dumped aggressively in the first quarter of 2025, losing over 67% of its value in the process. Ethereum went down to as low as $1,376. There was extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market then. There was fears of Donald Trump's tariffs. But right now, Ethereum is trading about $3,300, which on a larger scale perspective, it's not bad. Ethereum is trading at $3,300. If you remember that just some few years ago, Ethereum traded for as low as $80. But market participants don't want to hear that. They are used to higher prices. They are used to up only. We saw Ethereum go from $1,300 in April 2025, getting to as high as $4,955 by August of 2025. But since August, we've seen a pullback in the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum has gone from $4,955. It has even gone to as low as $3,055, which from the top to the bottom, it's about a 30% dump. Top to bottom is around a 37% dump for Ethereum. Normal dump for Ethereum in Goblin Town. We've seen that happen different times in this cycle, but right now the vibes are down. Is the cycle over? Are we in the start of a bear market? Well, the vibes down. Market participants are scared. You have to think about it from the retail investor's perspective. They're in the market to make some sweet profit, and they're very unfortunate. Retail investors always buy when the prices are high. They always sell when the prices are low. So when we got to the top here on the 18th of August 2025, there was vibes in the cryptocurrency market. We're all going to the moon. People are calling for $5,000 Ethereum. It looked like it was a no-brainer. Ethereum to $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. But that was not the case. Ethereum reversed, went back to $3,100. Right now, you're not hearing calls for Ethereum to $5,000, $3,000, maybe $10,000. But I strongly believe the crowd is wrong at the extreme. And the coming weeks, we're going to see the exit pump in the cryptocurrency market. That's my base case scenario. I believe we're very close to the end of the market cycle. That's if the cycle has not ended already. But we're not in the start of the bear market just yet. I believe retail investors are still wrecked. We're going to see one big pump to the upside. We're going to see whales which have made huge profits in Bitcoin, huge profit in Ethereum, start flipping those profits into the altcoin market. Ethereum could easily pull a bender in the final days of the market. We could say Ethereum gets to as high as $5,300. That has been my base case scenario, but that will require Ethereum pumping by more than 50% from where we are currently trading right now. And you never want to say never, because right now Ethereum is down in Q4. In Q4 of 2025, Ethereum has lost 18% of its value. We saw it pumping in Q2. We saw it pumping in Q3. Hopefully, we'll see a green Q4, but right now it's not looking very, very nice and dandy for Ethereum. Ethereum had a red September, a red November. Are we going to have in red? We had a red September, red October, red. We're currently having a red November. I postulate we're going to see Ethereum end November in the positive, enter December in the positive, and from there onward, we'll see what Ethereum has in store. Ethereum faces a tough pass to $3,900 as sentiment and demand fizzle. Weak demand from Ethereum spot ETF, sub-derivative data, and micro fears have left Ethereum struggling to sustain $3,400 despite sign of steady on-chain activities. In the end, guys, Ethereum is going to pump. Ethereum is the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market. We're seeing some early signs of weakness in Bitcoin dominance. And historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has always been good for the altcoin market. And I believe that capital is going to flow through Ethereum into the rest of the altcoins. We saw Bitcoin dominance taking a massive plunge in June of 2025. Bitcoin dominance went from as high as 66%, dumping to as low as 57%. That was 13% decline in Bitcoin dominance. The last few weeks has seen Bitcoin dominance struggle, but the 60% region is looking like the line in the sand. In the next few days, I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin dominance taking a plunge. My base case, guys, have still been in that 51% region. I believe we'll see Bitcoin dominance take a plunge towards there, and that plunge might happen very, very quickly. A lot of market participants are caught offside right now. They are holding a lot of cash. They are holding a lot of other tokens, expecting the market to just further dump to gobbling town. But I'm not in that school of thought, guys. I believe the market actually ends when we're pumping to the moon. The market actually ends when there's great in cryptocurrency market. So we have two choices. It's either the bull market is over and we miss the top, or we still have one more pump to the upside. We a lot of market participants will be convinced that this time is different. We're going to the moon. The 4-year cycle is there. Yada yada yada. Don't get carried away. Your number one job in this market is to buy at a low price and to sell at a high price. To buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's fear in the market. Even though Bitcoin is above $100,000, even though Ethereum trades above $3,300, market participants are just expecting up only forever. I'll not be shocked, guys, if we see Ethereum getting to new all-time highs in the coming days and the coming weeks, with Bitcoin failing to set new all-time highs. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market also increasing. My base case scenario for Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market is around that 18% region, and that's nothing outrageous. That will be Ethereum dominance just heading back to where it was in June of 2024, or where Ethereum dominance was in October of 2023. And that can happen very, very quickly. That can happen when a lot of altcoins are having their exit pump, when a lot of meme coins are having their exit pump, and an Ethereum upgrade is coming up on the 3rd of December 2025. It will not be coincidence if we see Ethereum pump into the upgrade. Ethereum has historically done that. From where we're currently trading, Ethereum dominance will need to increase by around 60 to 61%. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market, similar story. Since the 7th of December of April 20, so since the 21st of April 2025, we've seen Ethereum start outperforming Bitcoin. We saw it outperform Bitcoin by more than 140%. Even with the pullback, Ethereum is still up around 90% against Bitcoin since April of 2025. I'll be expecting Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin in the final phase of the market cycle. Historically, market participants go on the other X of the risk curve. They want to get those altcoins that will give them huge gains. They want to get those meme coins that will give them huge gains. And Ethereum is that platform for many meme coins in the cryptocurrency market, Pepe, Sheep, and a whole host of other meme coins. And Ethereum, being the biggest smart contract platform in the cryptocurrency market, will enjoy from Bitcoin losing some dominance in the cryptocurrency market. We could easily see Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin get to as high as a 0.05 ratio level. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Ethereum still trades above $3,300 with market cap of over $407 billion. Can Ethereum get to that $5,000 level? For Ethereum to do that, guys, we need to see the market cap around the $600 billion region. Do you believe Ethereum's market cap can get to as high as $600 billion before the house of cards come crashing down? Do you believe the bull market is over? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. And more importantly, if you're still holding some Ethereum, when will you be selling for some sweet profit? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.